Okay, so we need to find octal and hexadecimal numbers from 16 to 32. Let's try with 16. So to find 16 in base 16, we need to divide it by 16 and then take the remainder from bottom to top. So 16 divided by 16 will give 0 as remainder, then again 1 as remainder, we'll take from bottom to top. So 16 in base 10 will be 10 in base 16. Now we can find for base 8 also 16 in base 10 what it will be in base 8. Let's find it out. So to do that, we can divide again by 8 like the previous method. So we will get remainder as 0 and quotient as 2. Then again we divide and we get remainder as 2 and quotient as 0. We take from bottom to top. So 16 in base 10 will be 20 in base 8. So we can find for the rest of the numbers as well. From 16 to 32 we can find. Let's try with 27. So to find 27 in hexadecimal, we will divide by 16 and we get quotient as 1 and remainder will be 11. Then again we divide and we get quotient as 0 and remainder as 1. We take from bottom to top. So we get 111 in hexadecimal. 11 is B in hexadecimal as 10 is A. So we get 1B in hexadecimal. Similarly, we can find for the rest of the numbers as well. So in base 13, next part of the question, we are given 10 as A, 11 as B and 12 as C. Last 3 digits are given as A, B and C. So to find base 10 numbers from 8 to 26 in base 13, we can follow the same method, divided by 13 and then finding the remainders from bottom to top. Let's try with 21. So we divide by 13. We get quotient as 1 and remainder as 8. Again we divide, we get quotient as 0, remainder as 1. We take from bottom to top. So 18 we get in base 13 for the number 21. Same you can do for other numbers. Let's try with 23. So we divide 23 by 13. We get remainder as 10 and quotient as 1. Again we divide, we get quotient as 0 and remainder as 1. We go from bottom to top. So we get 10 is A as given in the question. You can see. So we get 1A in base 13 for the number 23. We can do for 25 as well. It's the same process you have to follow. It's just divide by 13 and find the remainders and do from bottom to top. So we get quotient as 1, remainder as 12 and we again divide. We get 0 as quotient, 1 as remainder. We take from bottom to top. So we get 25 in base 10 as 1, 1, 2 in base 13. 1, 2 is C in base 13. So 25 in base 10 is 1C in base 13.